So, in continuation of nutrition, today we will be going to start nutrition in plants, means how plants get their nutrition to perform various life processes. Okay, as we know, plant also required food to get energy, which can supply energy for their various metabolic activities. Green plants synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. You've already learned this photosynthesis in your junior classes, right? The process of photosynthesis in which green plant make their own food by using carbon dioxide from atmosphere, water and sunlight and make their own food. Okay, this is the process of photosynthesis, which photo means light and synthesis means to build. Thus, photosynthesis means building up of light. Okay, here I have a diagram for you. This is a small diagram which explain photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occur in green plants because there is a pigment chlorophyll is present. This energy, light energy in the form of photon is coming from sun. Carbon dioxide is coming from air, from atmosphere, and water. Water is absorbed from the soil and coming to leaves through the xylem tissue. Now, this carbon dioxide combines with water in the presence of these photons, form glucose, and oxygen is released into air. And this green color is called chlorophyll pigment. Okay, this is the equation of photosynthesis. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 12 molecules of water form glucose, oxygen and water. This is the basic process of photosynthesis. Now, site of photosynthesis. What is sites of photosynthesis? It's mainly chloroplast. Raw material for photosynthesis is chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water and light. Now coming to what is exactly photosynthesis. It is a biochemical process of manufacture of organic food from carbon dioxide, water with the help of solar energy called photons inside chlorophyll pigment. Okay, inside chlorophyll containing cell called chloroplast. Oxygen is liberated. Simple sugar glucose is formed. And this excess glucose is stored in the form of starch in plants. Again, I have written this equation for you. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 12 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight in chlorophyll form glucose, 6 molecule of oxygen and 6 molecule of water is formed, right? Now, what are the main events taking place in photosynthesis? First, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Main role of this green color pigment chlorophyll is the absorption of light, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, plus breakdown of water into hydrogen and oxygen, and this oxygen is liberated, and reduction of this carbon dioxide into glucose C6H12O6, which is a carbohydrate. Now, what happen in desert plant? Desert plant have something different mechanism. What they do? They absorb and store CO2 in organic acids during night when their stomata are open, okay, and it is reduced during the day when solar energy is available, but their stomata are closed to prevent the loss of water. Okay, now what are the stomatas? This is a picture of stomata. These are guard cells, chloroplasts. This is open stomata. This is closed stomata. Okay. Now, stomata is what? These are large number of tiny pores, stomata, present on the surface of leaf of the plant. कहाँ present होते हैं? Plant की leaf के surface पे. On the lower surface of leaf, mainly. Number of stomatas. Green plants take carbon dioxide from air or for photosynthesis. Each stomata pore is surrounded by a pair of guard cells. These are guard cells. This guard cell open and closing of stomata pore is controlled, means opening and closing of stomata is controlled by these guard cells only. Okay. How? When water flows into guard cells, these cells become curved and causes the pore to open. When water goes into this guard cells, swells, make a curve, and this stomata is open. And causes the stomata open. And when this guard cell loses water, it shrinks and become a straight line and causes the closing of stomata. Okay. Now, what are the function of stomata? Stomata, they perform, number one, exchange of gases take place through the stomata. Second, loss of water from the surface of the leaf or loss of water during the transpiration. Transpiration is loss of water from the surface of leaf. That is called transpiration, and this is happen at the site of stomata through stomata. Okay. Now coming to second, chlorophyll. What is this chlorophyll? Plant possess a pigment, as I told you, green color pigment molecule for absorption of. They have other pigments also. Okay, but we focus on this chlorophyll molecules for the absorption of light energy. Three type of photosynthetic pigments are there. First, green color called chlorophyll, which is our main concern. Second, orange color called carotenes. Yellow color pigment called xanthophylls. These xanthophylls and carotene are collectively called as carotenoids. Okay, both of these collectively called as carotenoids. Now, mainly chlorophyll. Again, chlorophyll are of two types, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A is primary photosynthetic pigment, right? As it take part in conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Means this chlorophyll is a primary photosynthetic pigment. It has a main role, okay, for the conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll B, whereas absorb the light energy of various wavelength. Chlorophyll A absorb energy of a particular wavelength, but this chlorophyll B, they absorb the light energy of various wavelength of visible light coming from sunlight and hand over the energy to chlorophyll, a molecule, through resonance. Okay. Now, last, chloroplast, What is this? Chloroplast. Here I have a diagram of chloroplast for you. This is a double layer structure. This is inner membrane, outer membrane, these small tiny pores called ribosomes, starch grain, this granum, plastoglobule, this green stroma matrix, and this integranal thylakoids. Okay, this is the structure of chloroplast. Right now, photosynthetic pigment occur in green colored cell organelle called chloroplast. What is this photosynthetic pigment? Chlorophyll, which is present in cell organelles called chloroplast. Chloroplasts are also site of photosynthesis. It has double membrane envelope. I told you, inner and outer. A crystallocoil matrix or stroma. I've shown you stroma also. And number of flattened sac called thylakoids. Okay? Thylakoids stakes at places to form grana. Right? So, thylakoid are the center of light reaction and stroma are the dark reaction sites where the dark reaction occur. Okay? Thank you.